Oh, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Yusra's Kitchen Inspire Home Cooking. Today I bring you a delicious soup recipe, chicken corn soup recipe, restaurant style at home. Hope you like it. Subscribe if you are new. So let's get started with the ingredients. I'm using 2 bay leaves, 1 egg, vegetables. I'm using here vegetables which are finely chopped, and I'm using here store bought. You can definitely use any vegetables of your choice which are at your home for the soup which we are making. If you like carrots, capsicum, anything in your soup you can add. I'm adding here carrots, salad leaves, lettuce, broccoli, green onions, and white normal onions. So basically these are the vegetables which I am using. About 1 cup, big 1 cup of vegetables. You can use any vegetables finely chopped of your choice. 1 cup. I am using here 2 chicken pieces, leg pieces. You can use breast chicken or anything, but minimum quantity. I am using here store-bought corn which I have taken 150 grams, and I have pureed the corn with the hand blender. I've just blended it. So 150 grams of corn, boiled corn, I've made the paste without adding any water. I'm using here 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, and salt as per taste. I'm using here garlic pots, 3 garlic pots, and 1 inch ginger. You can use sunflower oil or olive oil, whatever you prefer for the soup. Basically, this recipe has very less ingredients and can be prepared at home very easily, and it will come out really delicious. Your family will really love this soup, and it will be the go-to soup, I promise. So let's get started with the step. First step, we are going to take a pressure cooker. We are going to add 2 bay leaves. I have taken two chicken leg pieces. We are going to boil the chicken. So I'm going to add the seasoning, salt, and water till the chicken get dipped. That much quantity of water you have to add till it get dipped, because we are also using the broth of the chicken. Now basically I'm going to just give 2 vessels, and then I'm going to take it out. On the other side, I have taken a non-stick pan. I have added a tablespoon of oil, and in that I'm going to add ginger garlic finely chopped. We are going to just saute it. We are going to add 1 cup of finely grated, finely chopped vegetables. We are going to saute it. For about 2 to 3 minutes. And on the other side, my chicken is done. 2 vessels are done. Or if you, in this pan, I'm going to add some seasoning, salt, black pepper, and I'm going to mix it. The flame should be on a medium to low flame. because we don't want our vegetables to get burned. On the other side, I'm taking cornstarch and I'm going to add water, a tablespoon of water, and mix it and make a slurry. Make sure there are no lumps. And in the non-stick pan, now we are going to add the corn paste, the boiled corn paste. We are going to immediately keep the flame in the low, and we are going to stir this. While the spices, the vegetables and the corn paste is being cooked, we are going to add the leftover black pepper. We are going to add the slurry, cornstarch slurry. This will make the soup a little thick. And now we are going to add the stock, chicken stock. Just the chicken stock, and just cook it till the water get reduced. Not very much, but a little bit. Make sure to mix this because we don't want lumps. Now I have just take out the chicken, and I have added the chicken also. The water has been reduced, as you can see, to almost half. The chicken is already cooked, so we should not cook a lot. Now lastly, I'm going to add a little bit more corn, and our soup is done. I have cooked the soup totally for about 10 to 15 minutes. Total cooking I'm saying. Basically, it will be ready in 20 minutes. If you already have stock in your home, just prepare it, share with your friends and family. Thank you. Just Jazakallah.